everyone, this is Masi Ahmadi from Bridge Studio. In this tutorial, we'll be going through the process of unwrapping, texturing and rendering a highly detailed mid-poly leather backpack. First, we'll take a look at our low poly and high poly models. We also cover the steps involved in creating a low poly model and preparing the backpack for the baking process. Next, we'll explore using Blender's auto unwrap function. We'll then refine the UV layout using Unfold 3D to achieve a clean and efficient unwrapping. With a well-prepared UV map, we'll dive into Substance 3D Painter, our beloved texturing software. Here, we'll create a variety of materials from scratch, bringing our backpack to life. Once the texturing is complete, we'll head back to Blender to set up the scene, lights and render settings. After rendering, we'll use Photoshop for some final adjustments, polishing the image to achieve an even sharper and more visually appealing result. We hope that you will be happy at the end of this journey.